This is the FiFine K690 microphone, and it's quite possibly the only microphone you're going to need for a while, as it comes with 4 different polar patterns to choose from. Audio can be monitored, it can be used in the provided stand or mounted onto a scissor arm, and it just aesthetically looks good. The microphone and stand are made of metal with a matte black finish, and they feel extremely well made, and it's not going to topple over with minor knocks, as the mount does a very good job to hold it in place. Unscrewing the arms on either side allows the microphone to be pulled away from the frame and mounted onto an arm, as it comes with a converter in the box to allow you to do this. On the front there's a button to allow you to mute, and a volume control for audio monitoring. On the back there's a dial to turn up and down the volume of the microphone, and this glides around smoothly when turned. Underneath are 4 different polar patterns you can choose from, and the dial clicks in place for each setting. It connects to your computer using the provided mini USB to USB-A cable, and it's completely plug and play, so there's no need to install any drivers. When mounted on the stand, it measures at 9¼ inches from top to bottom, 5.1 inches across, and 4.3 inches deep. If you like the way everything has sounded so far in this review, then you're in luck, because everything has been recorded using the FiFine K690. As previously mentioned, you do get 4 polar patterns on this microphone. We have the stereo polar pattern, where everything gets recorded and played back using 2 channels. The omnidirectional means that you can speak all the way around the microphone. This will be ideal in situations where you have some kind of meeting, you put the microphone in the centre of the table and everyone sits around there and speaks, as it should pick up the same clarity all the way around. The cardioid pattern is where you speak directly into the front, which is kind of what most people will be doing with microphones as well. It will pick up some sounds from the side, and it will do its best to eliminate sounds coming from the back. Bidirectional, that basically means that you can speak into the front and into the back of the microphone, and it should sound the same. It should try and eliminate any kind of sound from the sides, and this would be ideal in one-to-one interview situations. So let's go through each of the settings and give you an idea of what the audio sounds like. This is what we sound like when we are in stereo mode. This is what we sound like in omnidirectional mode. This is what we sound like in cardioid mode. This is what we sound like in bidirectional mode. This is stereo mode. We will rotate the microphone around so you get yourself a bit of an idea of what it sounds like in stereo mode, and we'll do our best not to tangle the cable up too much as well. We are now testing in omnidirectional mode. We will do our very best to keep the microphone the same distance all the way around while we are rotating it, and with a bit of luck, the audio should sound pretty much the same all the way around. We are now in cardioid mode. We will begin to rotate the microphone around, and you should not be able to hear us too well as we are talking to the back, and as we come back around to the front, we should be a lot more clear. We are now speaking in bidirectional mode. As we turn this round to the side, you shouldn't be able to hear us too well from here. If we continue to rotate it all the way so we're speaking directly into the back, that should be a lot more clear. If we go around to the other side, once again, not as clear. And if we go all the way around to the front, that should be a lot more clear. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I think I got that right. This is the ASMR test. We have the microphone roughly around an inch or so away from our mouth, and we are using the cardioid polar pattern. This is a test of the mute button. We will continue speaking and we will unmute the microphone so the mute button performs exactly as it should. Let's do some audio monitoring. The audio monitoring on this is fantastic. There is no delay whatsoever from us speaking to it going through to the microphone and into our earphones. When you mute the microphone, the audio monitoring turns off as well, so you can't hear anything through the earphones. And look what we found. The little brother, the FiFine K690. We've actually done a review on this, which you can find up there. And it is a cardioid microphone, literally got one polar pattern on it, and it uses the same capsule as the K690, which means that the audio should be pretty much the same. Let's test them out. This is a test using the FiFine K690 microphone. This is a test using the FiFine K678 microphone. We have the microphone volume set to halfway. We've had to change the mic level to around 25% on this because it is amazingly sensitive. Remember that you do get the full polar patterns on this. That might be a little bit overkill for a lot of people who require just a cardioid polar pattern. This is a test of the inbuilt microphone on our Dell G7 laptop. Well, how do you feel the FiFine K690 has performed? Leave us a comment down below. Thank you as always for checking out the video. Now, let's do some more pickled peppers as we leave. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?